Have you ever asked an AI for something and gotten back, well, a totally bland, generic, or just plain useless response? Yeah, it's a super common frustration. But here's the thing, it's not a technology problem, it's a communication problem. So let's dive in and figure out how to talk to AI so you can get exactly what you need every single time. Now, just for a little context, the ideas in this explainer are pulled from Lesson 3 of a free tutorial by Virtualization Options LLC. It's called The Top 10 Mental Disciplines to Strengthen to be Effective with Generative AI. Today, we're zeroing in on one of the most practical skills from that lesson, effective communication. So why do we get those frustratingly generic answers so often? Well, it all boils down to a communication gap. See, we think we're being crystal clear, but from the AI's perspective, it's left guessing. And you know what an AI does when it has to guess? It defaults to the most basic, general, safe information it has. Just look at the difference here. It's huge. On the left, you've got write something about marketing. I mean, that could be literally anything. A book, a tweet, a slogan, who knows? But look at the prompt on the right. It's so specific. We've got a format, an email. We've got a length, 300 words. We've got an audience, small construction companies, and a really clear goal. Explain how the software cuts down on waste. The quality of the answers you'd get from these two prompts, it's just night and day. Here's the best way to think about it. Imagine your AI is this brilliant, incredibly skilled assistant who is also extremely literal. It has access to pretty much all of human knowledge, but it has absolutely zero shared context or experience with you. It can't guess what you mean, it can't read between the lines. You have to brief it on every single little detail. And this whole skill of briefing your AI, it actually has a name. It's called prompt engineering. Now I know, it sounds super technical, right? But it really isn't. It's just the craft of designing clear, effective instructions, your prompts, to guide the AI toward the specific outcome you're looking for. It's a communication skill, not a coding skill. Exactly. It's all about shifting your mindset. You need to start thinking like a great manager or a great delegator. You're not programming a machine here. You are clearly instructing a super powerful assistant who is ready and willing to do the work, but it needs to be told exactly what to do. Okay, so how do we actually do this? How do we get good at it? Luckily, there's a pretty simple formula. A really great prompt is built on 4 key pillars that can turn pretty much any vague request into a powerful, effective instruction. First up, clear intent. Don't just hint at what you want, state it directly. Second, rich context. Give the AI the why behind the what. Who is this for? What background info is absolutely essential. Third, specific details. This is where you really take control of the output's format, its tone, its length, its style. And finally, number 4 is iterative refinement. And trust me, this one is absolutely crucial. Because let's be real, the first attempt is almost never the final one. The key here is to treat this whole process like a dialogue, a real back and forth conversation. Use the AI's first response as a starting point. Then you can refine your instructions, Hey, that's a good start, but can you make the tone a bit more formal? Or, great, now add 3 bullet points that summarize the key benefits. Okay, so we've got the theory down, but how do we actively build this mental discipline? Well, it really just comes down to deliberate practice, and there are a few concrete steps you can start taking to get better, like today. First, really focus on the fundamentals we just talked about. Be specific, give it context, add constraints. Second, get in the habit of breaking down complex ideas into simple language. If you can explain it simply to a person, you can prompt it clearly to an AI. Third, and this is an interesting one, develop active listening skills. Really analyze the AI's output. Look for clues about how it interpreted your prompt. Where did it get confused? And finally, build yourself a personal library of prompts that work really well for you. Save them, organize them for tasks you do all the time. All right, let's start to wrap this up by talking about why this one skill matters so much. Of all the things you can learn for this new AI age, effective communication might just be the most important one. It's kind of the key that unlocks everything else. This quote from the source material really says it all. Your results are a direct reflection of your instructions. It's not about the AI being good or bad. It's about you becoming a better collaborator, a clearer communicator. Simple as that. And that right there is the ultimate payoff. When you master this, AI stops being this frustrating toy that just spits out generic answers. It becomes a true partner, a powerful collaborator that cuts down on friction, boosts your productivity, and delivers high-quality, specific results that are tailored exactly to what you need. So the next time you open up an AI tool, don't just give it an order, give it a great brief. Give it the intent, the context, and all those specific details. You've got the keys now to unlock its true potential. So what are you going to create next?